Tom, and I am a master's student at Construction Management. I also hold a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Now let me tell you how I got into this. It was actually from a game I used to play. It involved building homes for people, and people behaved according to the quality of life given to them. And at that time I used to tell my mother I want to be a building designer. Other than this, I really enjoy numbers and I love maths, and I have always excelled in it. Now moving on to my strength and weakness, I would say my strongest trait is organizational skill, and because whenever I get a task, I create a list of things to do and set up a time schedule. I always make sure that I keep up this strength of mine because it would always help me complete my task on time. Now moving on to my weakness, I have talked about organizational skill as my strength, but it is my weakness as well, because on pressure situations I get a little compelling and stern towards my group members, and I don't do well in conflict situation. I have to really work on communication skill in those pressure situations. And about my achievement, I would say one of my greatest achievement is taking the initiative to build a model to display in a national technical competition in my college. Even though I was reluctant to take the opportunity, I did it anyway, and we got a special mention for our work. For the success of this task, tremendous communication skill and organizational skills were most important. I also learned to develop my leadership skill, which I'm not really very confident about. Now, moving on to the time I failed and what I learned about it. When I think of this situation, it goes back to my 11th grade when I worked as a chief editor in my magazine. I love art and I love drawing and painting, and the magazine was really based on that. So I worked on the magazine well, but it did not turn out as I expected because it was the first time I took an initiative like this, but I got the opportunity to improve my communication as well as leadership skills. Now, where do I see myself in 5 years? My all-time dream in my career is to become a construction manager, and to be able to lead a group of people and create a construction marvel is what I want to do ultimately. And I would like to start off as a graduate civil engineer, and this would make me informative about both technical and managerial aspects of this field. Moreover, this profession is about constantly developing skills. I would like to excel in leadership, communication, and organizational skills as well.